Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at how we import soil sample points. We're going to learn how to import CSV data into the software and then how to create a template for future imports of data. So we have our map here now. We want to import the soil sample points from our agronomist or our soil sampling company, and they've been sent to us as a CSV file. So we have to go to read job data to start with. We will select generic import soil sample CSV as our import routine. We'll navigate to where the files are kept, and here we have broaches point files .csv. We'll click OK on that, and now our import template comes up. Well, our import routine comes up, and the first thing that we have to do is look at the columns that we have in our from our data, and we have to align it with what the software needs. So we have to look first of all for the latitude and longitude to ensure that the software knows where the point is and how to position it on the in the map. So the first thing that we're looking for is latitude and longitude, and then once we've got them, we use the drop down box to find latitude and longitude from our list. Now the next column along here is actually blank. We don't need to import that one, so I'll untick that. The next one along is our P samples. So what I want to do here is navigate down so I can assign that value in that column against what it actually was recording. So here we have phosphorus P, and it's in parts per million. So we'll go along to do K as well, and we will find K there. Magnesium is the same. We will navigate down until we find it, and this is what we do for all of the columns. And pH, we will do lime, and then sand, silt, clay from, and this is what our agronomy company creates as collected here. I can just use numbers for the remainder of them. Now if I'm using the same source each time for my data and data collection, I don't want to have to do this each time. So what I'm going to do is save the template, which will make it a lot easier when we want to come and import some data again from this company. So I'm going to highlight Save Template and then put in CSV import, or you can put the name of the agronomy company, whatever you want that makes sense to use. So I'll click OK, and we see here that it comes up under the file format template. And when we do this import again, we will just, rather than select each of the columns and find the numbers, we will just use the template, drop it down, and use that particular import. It'll save us a huge amount of time to do that. I then click OK, and the first thing that we have to do is assign it to a field, and we know which that field is, so we're going to put it into broaches. And the crop enterprise, what I'm going to do here is assign it to a crop enterprise to help make my management easier. We only have to do this once, and once it's inputted in here into the job type, then we're good to go. So I'm going to create it in 2016. And then the commodity is going to be soil sample. Soil sample isn't there, so we have to click add. Can we see our soil sample there? No, we can't, so we click add again, and we won't see it there either. So I'm going to now create a soil sample. So typing isn't very good. Soil sample. And I'm going to click OK. And then OK again, and now I've got 2016 soil sample, and I'll import those. So here we've got soil test. The job is soil test from the drop down box that is provided by the software. My crop enterprises is soil 2016 soil sample. I'll click OK, and then OK again. And we now have under broaches, which is our field, we have our data points from there. I click the button, And we see these are all the points that were collected by the sample company when they were doing the work on the farm. And under the views, I can look at all the different information that they've provided with me for pK, lime, and the like. And the samples here actually relate to a conductivity map that was carried out. So over time, we'll be able to use the various different layers to create any individual zones that we wanted for seeding, for fertilizer application, and just general zone management.